Hey y'all, good morning. It's a beautiful day out here today. It's Dallas coming at y'all from Lady Boss Marketing. I'm recording this video. Excuse the hat. It's full sun out here today, y'all, and I'm about to get moving on my morning walk. I woke up a little late because I was, up most of the night with some issues that came up with one of my business accounts. And I'm recording this video just because I'm letting the enemy know that just because you put a roadblock in my way, it doesn't mean that I'm going to stop. I'm just going to keep right on moving. I'm going to keep right on motivating myself and others, because when I do these videos, I just motivate myself. And you have no idea how much of a hurdle this is for me to jump over when every video I do is a hurdle for me personally, because I'm not really a video person. I'm kind of like have that mix of being introverted. So every time I do these videos, y'all, I'm coming out here and I'm doing them regardless of how I feel inside, regardless of how shy I feel, or whatever the case might be. I'm still getting out here and getting these videos done. So what I want to say to you today is sometimes obstacles come up, especially against winners. If you're aiming to start your own business, you got moves to make, you have a dream, you have something that you desire, that you want to do, obstacles will come against you. I mean, if it's too quiet, you might need to worry. If you're not fearful, you might need to worry. If you don't have any doubt, self-doubt, sometimes you might need to worry. Doubts, fears, and obstacles are going to come. Roadblocks are going to come and get in your way. But what you need to do today is take action. Do something to let the enemy know. Do something to let the enemy know and the universe know that you're not a quitter. If that's recording a video to say I'm not a quitter, if that's getting on your Facebook timeline and randomly saying I'm not a quitter, if that's you're doing something out of your comfort zone today, just to prove that you're not going to be stopped no matter what, that's what you need to get out there and do today, guys. Join me in saying that you're not a quitter. And do something positive today to let the universe know that you are not a quitter. It doesn't matter how stupid you feel, or that you think you think you are. It doesn't matter how stupid people say that you are. It doesn't matter how stupid you look. It doesn't matter what people think about your dreams. It doesn't matter what people think about your goals. Matter of fact, it doesn't even matter if you are the one that doubts yourself sometimes. Get out there today and tell the world in some way, form, or fashion. Maybe it's just something personal between you and God, but let the universe know today. Make some noise and let the universe know today that you're not a quitter. You're a fighter. And y'all have a blessed and prosperous day. Talk to you soon.